Good morning everyone. Today at Arishtam we are going to make rice wine sake. So for the sake, what all things you would need? You would need some rice. Here we'll use some dosa rice or non-aromatic rice. I would recommend you not to use basmati rice because basmati rice has a lot of oils inside that which will create rancidity. So use any simple dosa rice or non-aromatic rice. You would need a packet of the yeast. There are two varieties of yeast with us. This one is a dry one and this one is a sweet one. So you can pick based on what you like. You can pick one of the two. The dry one makes high alcoholic sake, and the sweet one makes a little bit sweet sake, which is supposed to be consumed fresh. You would need a vessel. Any glass vessel will do. We have used a glass burning for this, and you need lots and lots of water. So first job would be you clean and wash your rice. See, you can see this is the dosa, the small grain rice. So you wash it. You cannot use brown rice. You cannot use unmilled rice. The reason is unmilled rice has the outer coating which has a lot of oil inside that. The rice bran oil, if you have heard about. So we need the polished rice in which that oil is removed. I have already steamed it for you. So if you don't have a steamer, then you can just add water and cook it like you cook the usual rice. You can also use leftover rice like the way our grandparents used to make curd rice or pakhala, depending on which part of the country you are. So pakhala would be made in Odisha and West Bengal, curd rice in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. So you can use a leftover rice. Make sure that it is cooled. You do not want fresh boiling hot rice. It's same like your curd making. If your milk is boiling, then if you add some starter into it, you'll only get cheese. So here, make sure that it is cool, and the best way to check it if it is cool is it should be less than your body temperature. Your hand is at 38 degrees Celsius. So now the first step is you clean, wash and sanitize your burnie in the glass vessel, and then you are going to add your rice to it. So I filled this jar halfway through. The reason I filled it halfway through is because I want to make two recipes. I want to make the sake, which is a drink as well as we'll make something like a fermented rice which you can eat as well. So we are making two recipes together. Now we are going to open up a sachet. So I like the sweet one, so I'm taking the sweet one, and we are going to sprinkle it all across. Just make sure that it spreads all over. Okay. Now we'll put a little bit of water, just enough that it submerges. Okay. Now we will wait for 24 hours. Okay. The reason why we wanted the rice to be submerged is because in the water medium we want the enzymes to be activated. This koji will create amylase enzymes which will break down the starch in the rice. After 1 or 2 days, if you taste this will taste sweet, which means that the enzymes are active. So we'll keep there for 2 days, and after that we'll taste it, see the koji is active, and then we are going to top it. Quick recap: 3 days ago we had put the rice wine yeast, rice wine koji, as well as the steamed rice, along with a lot of water here. Then we saw that some of the rice started floating, some of it is still floating. Then after 2 days we saw this whole thing got into white turbid kind of दूध जैसे हो गया था ये. उसके बाद हमने उसको फ्रिज में रख दिया. तो आज ये 4th डे है. 4th डे में ये वाइन रेडी है. तो आज हम उसकी टेस्टिंग करेंगे. थोड़े से राइस पार्टिकल्स अगर आप देख सकते हो तो अभी भी फ्लोट कर रहे हैं. वो दैट इज कम्प्लीटली नेचुरल. उसके ऊपर koji सेटल्ड है जो आपका एंजाइम्स प्रोड्यूस करती है. स्टार्च कैन नॉट बी डाइजेस्टेड. अरे वाह, कितनी अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है. स्टार्च कैन नॉट बी डाइजेस्टेड बाय द यीस्ट. तो इसलिए एंजाइम बना के, अमाइलेज एंजाइम बना के उसको पहले फर्मेंटेबल शुगर्स में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, एंड देन द यीस्ट कन्वर्ट्स दैट इनटू वाइन. तो अभी हमने एक छोटा सा सैंपल लिया है और उसको फिर से हमने इसको ढक दिया है. खुशबू बहुत ही प्यारी सी खुशबू आ रही है. ये थोड़ी सी खट्टी और बहुत अल्कोहलिक ड्रिंक होती है। जो प्रॉपर राइस वाइन कोजी होती है वो टार्ट ड्रिंक होती है। तो आप एक समझ लीजिए नींबू पानी के अंदर आपने अगर अल्कोहल डाल दिया है, जैसे लाइम कॉर्डियल बोलते हैं, तो बिल्कुल वैसा इसका स्वाद आता है, खट्टा और अल्कोहलिक, और ये काफी स्ट्रांग है। इसको और फर्दर फिल्टर करने के लिए मैं इसको एक बॉटल में डाल दूंगा, जिसमें ये जो लेफ्ट ओवर स्पेंट राइस है वो हम डिस्कार्ड कर देंगे। ये जो बीच का जो पोर्शन है बस उसको हम कर देंगे। ये लेफ्ट ओवर स्पेंट राइस है, इसके अंदर भी कोजी बनी हुई है, तो आप इसमें और स्टीम राइस डालेंगे तो फिर ये और एक और बैच आपका बन के तैयार हो जाएगा। दैट्स ऑल, थैंक यू।